Hey guys, you're with Tesla Tom. Thanks so much for joining me on Ludicrous feed today. I just got back from the St. Leonard's Service Centre here in Sydney to replace my faulty airbag for my Tesla Model S 2015 edition. It was a recall sent out by Tesla to change all the Takata type airbags in the Model S's between 2014 and 2016. Not an immediate concern as such, but the letter I got said that basically within 6 years of manufacture, the airbags have known to degrade with heat and humidity, and there is a risk that if it does deploy, shrapnel will basically kill the driver. So that's enough of a reason to go back and get it changed under warranty, of course. When I was there, I actually flagged my brake pedal to the technician, went out for a drive, and he reassured me it was fine, so that's all good. But I also asked him, just offhand, when am I getting my software update for the dog mode, right? For the dog mode and for the Sentry mode, which I'm hearing a lot about in the US Teslas. He told me something interesting which I didn't know prior to today. He said that Tesla rolls out the software updates in clusters. So, for example, 20,000 VINs at a time. And currently with the dog mode and the Sentry mode, there have been issues. So I think Tesla has clamped down at the moment for that release. Maybe to older cars like mine, they're stopping it just to make sure they get the bugs sorted out before I get the software update. So I guess that makes sense to me. Even though I'm disappointed that I haven't got my dog mode or Sentry mode yet, I'd rather they sort the bugs out first before I get the full update on my car. So looking forward to the dog mode and Sentry mode, and of course I'll make a video for you when that does come around. Alright guys, thanks very much for watching. Stand by now for my #Roadster Down Under pledge and campaign. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Tell me if you've had any experiences with the Takata airbags and whether you've had yours replaced yet. And as always, happy charging. I do solemnly promise, should I win a Roadster 2020 in Tesla's new referral program, to list this vehicle on an electric car sharing platform to allow all Australians an opportunity to drive this magnificent car as part of a greater effort to bring the electric vehicle to this great nation. #Roadster Down Under. Help me by using my referral code Thomas7208. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being part of the energy revolution. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit subscribe to stay up to date with our latest videos. Happy charging!